You have called me by my name, I am yours. When I pass through waters, you're with me, Lord. Through the rivers I will not be swept away. Through the fire I will not be burned today. You are the Holy One, my Savior and King. You gave all for me. Your love is everything. I will not fear, for you have rescued me. You are always near, my victory. You are with me, I will not be afraid. You are doing a new thing today. You make rivers flow in the desert dry. For your name alone be lifted high. You are faithful, you are strong and true. All the glory, Lord, belongs to you. Oh, belongs to you. Forget the former things, don't dwell on the past. Behold, you are doing a work that will last. You make a way where there was no road. You bring your people safely home. You formed us for your praise and song. You've been our shepherd all along. We stand in awe of who you are, our Redeemer, bright morning star. You are with me, I will not be afraid. You are doing a new thing today. You make rivers flow in the desert dry. For your name alone be lifted high. You are faithful, you are strong and true. All the glory, Lord, belongs to you. Lord, belongs to you. From the east and the west you call us near. North and south we rise without fear. You made us witnesses of your grace. In every trial you make a way.